Hello and welcome to my channel. So it's cooking along with Fidelia, and today we're going to prepare waakye, and this is how we prepare waakye. So I started preparing the stew for the waakye, and this is how I prepared it with the meat, and I tried garnishing it with garlic and with ginger and added other spices to it. So this is how I had it done. So without talking much, I had to blend tomato, bell peppers, and spring onions, pepper, and also our natural onions. So that's what I just added to the cooked meat, and I had to allow it to really cook a good 20 minutes, and I added some other spices to it. So I also didn't add a puree to it. That's what we called the tomato puree, or in our local dialecting tomatoes. So I prepared it separately, and I tried adding it because I wanted it well cooked and also not overcooking my stew. So I cooked it separately and added it to the natural tomato and pepper and bell peppers to get a very refreshing taste to the stew. So keep on watching. I allowed it to simmer cooked and added also more spices to it. And that was it for today. Enjoy your favorite waakye with this delicious stew. Keep on subscribing to my channel, lovely people. God bless you all. Shalom. Peace. So as you can see, our waakye is finished. So waakye is basically rice with beans together with salt and just cooking it together. That is waakye, and we normally serve it with our gari. That is preserved manioc. So that is really what is called gari. It's really blended into small pieces, and we serve it also with some spaghetti known as macaroni, and yes, yummy. So it's optional. You can really add shito to it.